Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will learn how to send automated emails with Zapier. Imagine you're a small business owner, a member of a marketing team, or simply someone looking to make your daily tasks more efficient. Automated emails can be a powerful tool to keep you consistently connected with your audience. By setting up these automations, you can save a significant amount of time, ensuring your emails are sent out systematically without fail. This process not only streamlines your workflow, but also enhances your productivity. So let's dive in and walk through the process step by step to harness this powerful capability. To kick things off, you'll want to navigate to Zapier's website. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the page and spot the button that says Log In. Click on that button to proceed. If you already have a Zapier account, you can simply enter your login details. However, if you're new to Zapier, you'll need to create an account. For this demonstration, let's make things simple and log in using our Google account. This method is quick and straightforward, allowing you to get started without any hassle. Once you're logged in, the first major task you want to tackle is creating what's known as a Zap. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is a Zap? Well, in the world of Zapier, a Zap is essentially an automated workflow that you set up to perform specific tasks for you. From your dashboard, locate the Create button and give it a click. Then, navigate to where it says Zaps and click there too. This section is where the magic happens, the spot where you can begin setting up your automation. The next step is crucial, defining your trigger. Each Zap starts with a trigger, and this is a specific event that will prompt the action you want to happen. Click on the option labeled Trigger. You'll see several options, and for our purposes, we'll select Schedule. This choice allows you to set up an event that suits your needs. Let's say, for example, you want your emails to go out every week. You would select Every Week, ensuring that your emails are sent automatically on a weekly basis. It's important to set up this schedule according to your own preferences for when you want these emails to be dispatched. Make sure to test this trigger to ensure everything is functioning as expected. With the trigger in place, you'll move on to the next phase, setting up the action. Click on the Action button to proceed. From the available choices, we will select Gmail. This selection enables Zapier to connect with your Gmail account and send emails directly from there. Before diving deeper, it's wise to double-check that you're signed into your Gmail account within Zapier to ensure seamless connectivity. This setup is pivotal because it dictates how the email will actually be dispatched. Now configure the email details, such as the recipient's address, the subject line, and the content of the email body. This is where you can personalize your message to fit your needs. After you've set up these details, it's a good idea to perform a test to confirm that Zapier is ready to execute the task flawlessly. Once you have verified that everything is set up correctly and works without any issues, click on Publish. By doing this, you activate your Zap, and your automated email system will start operating according to the schedule you specified. And that's all there is to it. With these steps, you have now successfully set up an automated email system using Zapier. This setup is designed to bring more efficiency and reliability to your communications, and it can be a game changer for your productivity. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, you can explore more Zap combinations to further enhance your workflow. Hopefully this guide helped you easily master how to send automated emails with Zapier. If it did, please let us know down in the comments section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to our channel, PMN Online.